In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Affirm to Shopify. If you want to give shoppers a flexible way to pay over time, adding Affirm can help increase conversions and average order value while keeping the checkout experience smooth and trustworthy. Start by opening the Shopify website in your web browser and signing into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, head to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This ensures you're working from the correct area of your store and keeps everything consistent as you add tools. From there, go to the Apps section. Depending on your view, you might see it labeled simply as Apps or as Apps and Sales Channels. This is where you manage all add-ons that extend your store's functionality. In the Apps area, look for the option to explore the Shopify App Store. When the App Store opens, use the search bar and enter Affirm. Typing the exact name helps you find the official option quickly and avoid unrelated results. Click the Affirm listing to open its details page. Take a moment here to review the overview, requirements, and any notes from the developer. This page explains what the app does, what permissions it needs to run, and any fees or usage terms. It's also a good place to check screenshots and compatibility notes so there are no surprises later. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will show you the permissions the app needs. Read them carefully so you understand what data the app will access and how it integrates with your checkout. Then confirm the installation to proceed. The installation flow may guide you through a brief setup inside your admin, and that's normal. Just follow the on-screen prompts provided by the app. If you see a message that your store isn't compatible, click More to learn why it's not compatible. This link typically explains the specific reason, such as your store's region not being supported, a store currency mismatch, a checkout setting that conflicts with the app, or a theme or sales channel limitation. Reviewing this information will help you understand whether a small setting needs adjusting or if your store's current configuration doesn't meet the app's requirements. If the reason is unclear, use the details on that page to determine whether an alternative configuration or a different solution is recommended. Once installation completes successfully, you're all set within the scope of this process. You've added Affirm through the Shopify interface, reviewed the app details, and handled any compatibility checks. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to follow along with your own store as you go.